How to assemble a human touch Super Novo X massage chair. To get started, confirm that you have all of these parts. First, we'll move the chair to the desired location. Aligning the pins and sockets, plug the remote connector into the connector on the right-hand side of the chair. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet and into the chair, then power on the chair. Press the remote power button twice, then select Power Off to restore the chair to the upright and rearmost position. Power off the remote, power off the chair, then unplug it. Disconnect the remote from the chair. Place one foot on top of the rear shroud, grasp the chair by the speakers, then tip the chair backward onto its wheels. Push the chair forward to the desired location. Placing one foot on the rear shroud, gently lower the chair to the floor. Next, we'll install the pad set. Place the pad set into position on top of the chair base. Next, connect the right-hand body pad heat cable to the corresponding cable from the chair. Connect the 3 air hoses on the right-hand side of the body pad to the corresponding hoses from the chair, matching by number. Be sure to install each hose onto the fitting as far as it will go. Wrap the upholstered flap on the side of the body pad around the cables, then secure it to the underside of the pad using the hook and loop fasteners. Now, connect the heat cable and 3 hoses on the left-hand side of the chair, then secure them to the underside of the body pad using the upholstered flap. Next, starting on the right-hand side, zip the body pad seat to the chair. Zip the front of the pad to the foot and calf massager. Starting at the top, zip each side of the body pad to the chair. Finally, zip the top of the body pad to the chair. Next, we'll install the lower right-hand door section. You will need the Phillips head screwdriver and 3 Phillips head screws to install the lower door. Note the slot in the door bracket and the chair post. Connect the door connector to the chair connector. You will hear a click when the connectors are secure. Insert the chair post into the slot in the door bracket, then slide the door to the rear as far as it will go. Next, lift the front of the door up slightly to align the front screw holes, then install the front screw and washer. Install the remaining 2 screws and washers. Now we'll install the upper right-hand door section. You will need the Allen wrench and 4 Allen screws to install the upper door. Lower the door blade into the lower door. Next, pull the 4 connectors and one hose through the metal ring at the rear of the door. Using the Allen wrench, install the 4 Allen screws into the metal ring to secure the upper door to the chair. Now, connect the air hose. Connect the round connector, aligning the pins and sockets, then turn the connector lock clockwise to secure it. Connect the remaining 3 connectors, matching by size. You will hear a click when the connectors are secure. Next, we'll install the lower left-hand door section. Connect the left-hand door connector to the chair connector, making sure you hear a click. Place the chair post inside the slot in the door bracket, then slide the door to the rear as far as it will go. Next, lift the front of the door up slightly to align the front screw holes, then install the front screw and washer. Install the remaining 2 screws and washers. Now we'll install the upper left-hand door section. Lower the door blade into the lower door. Next, pull the 3 connectors and one hose through the metal ring at the rear of the door. Using the Allen wrench, install the 4 Allen screws into the metal ring to secure the upper door to the chair. Now, connect the air hose. Connect the 3 connectors, matching by size. You will hear a click when the connectors are secure. Finally, we'll install the door panels. Align the lower right-hand door panel rear post with the corresponding socket on the chair, then press firmly until you hear a click. Repeat this step to attach the front of the panel to the chair, then press firmly along the upper and lower sides to secure them. Attach the upper right-hand door panel. The order in which you attach it does not matter. Now attach the 2 left-hand door panels. Connect the remote cable connector to the corresponding connector from the chair, aligning the pins with the sockets, then place the remote in the remote tray. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. You must restore the chair before use for the chair to function properly. The chair is fully restored when the touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.